and Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock, they're a page right out of history. Let's ride with the family down the street, through the burning sea of first defeat. When you're with the Flintstones, have a yabba dabba do time, a dabba do time. We'll have a game.